which one is best, Fosi Audio or JBL 500. This output also 360 watt RMS, and this is JBL 300 output. One of this, it is downside, no, so it can give you earth-shaking sound. So in order to have a subwoofer like this, you have to spend a lot of money. And one more thing, lots of wire here, you see, and this is wireless. You can plug it, put it anywhere, the advantage, and without doing anything. But to have a good sound here, you have to use the equalizer. I'll show you how to use the equalizer. If you do not set the equalizer properly, you will not get a good sound. But here, it is something else. Treble, bass, everything is given here, like we used to hear, no, during the 1990s. Okay, I'll show you how to set the equalizer on this JBL bar. Otherwise, you will not get any good sound. Okay, this is showing. You press here. This is, you see, JBL. You press here. Okay. From here, you can control the remote also. Look, everything. HDMI, At-mos, bass, caliber, everything. You see. You bring it here. Volume, look. Plus, minus. Everything you can control here from your mobile. Okay. If your mobile remote is not working, you can control with your mobile. This is caliber. You can calibrate if you're not getting good sound. And this is the equalizer. Look, edit. I'll show you. This is lower bass. Lower bass means it will vibrate your room. It will not give you headache. You can listen to it for a long duration. Movies, it will shake your chair, floor, everything. And this is, don't put it high. It is just little bit given. If you give it full, you will hear the bass too much. It will give you headache. The bass will hit on your head. Dham dham. It is treble. I'm giving full treble for support. Okay. You can set it however you like. And one more thing. Not only this. Suppose you are playing from a mobile. In mobile also, you have to set the equalizer to get good sound. This is equalizer here. This is for vibration. This is treble to get good sound. This is the source from where you are playing. From TV also, I'll show you. You have to set the equalizer, or the sound output from the source will come out flat and will complain that the sound system is not good. Okay, I will hear what type of sound it will play. Okay, suppose you are playing from the TV, taking the output, no, to the JBL bar. So the source output from the TV should be also be good. So you have to set the equalizer here. Look, this is the equalizer. Okay, here, look, this is the equalizer from the TV. It is it. This is what? This is lower bass. Okay, this is the lower bass. which will give you earth-shaking bass, but we will not hear any bass. You will only feel the bass. And this, if it is given full, it will give you headache. It is only plus 3 dB. You can put it less also. It is up to you. And this is the main. This is and come. This is the treble. Treble I have given full. It is up to you to select how much treble you want. That crystal clear sound, no? And this mid. It will give you that voice. How much that human voice, no? That it will. If you give it full, it will be more clear to you. So treble. This is. To have a good sound from your TV to the soundbar, you should set the equalizer on your TV. One more thing, this Fosi Audio, it is made in China, okay, marketed by India, and this JBL, it is made in USA, marketed by India. So it is up to you what you want to have. Made in China product, made in USA. But though it is made in China, it is a good brand, very good brand, Class D amplifier, and it has a lot of options. Look in the back with lots of wire. You see. I'll show you. This is normal stereo, left right. This is for subwoofer, 360 watt, left right. And under one, it is pre-output jack, which can be fitted to the JBL soundbar also using a converter. So from this Fosi Audio, we will get a very big sound than this JBL Bar, because there are lots of options but lot of wiring. But this JBL, it is wireless. So these are both are different, which you can enjoy differently. Bring it near. You see, this is for internet. This is service. This is power. This is HDMI for CD player or any player. If you put it here, it will work as an input. It is for TV EARC. It is for optical. Okay, I'll show you one more thing. You see, this is Fosi Audio and this is JBL. Okay, here, come here, show you. Which one is best, Fosi Audio or JBL? Which can shake your room more? Okay, it is good. But for it, you need extra, very good speaker to have a sound, give you sound output like JBL. This is only an amplifier, Class D amplifier, but very good sound. Okay. Now, this is HDMI. I will show you how to take output from this and fit to this JBL, which will become a monster, and it will shake your house, not only your room. I'll show you. This is a converter. Okay, this is a converter. Here, okay, I'll show you this. You see, you fitted it. Okay, and this is Fosi Audio. Okay, here it is the output. Look, pre-amplifier output. I'll fit it here. Okay, you see, this is Fosi Audio. You see, I fitted this here. Okay, and this is the converter. Okay, I put this, and from this I'll take the output here. You see, going through from this is Fosi Audio. I'm explaining it again. Fosi Audio going. This is output. Okay. Now look at the bar. Come near. This is the, don't fit, this is for TV, this is for CD player or anything. So here I'll fit it. You see, this is the converter. This is the converter. Fosi Audio. You look, it is coming. From this you can control your sound. And the sound which you will get, I cannot tell you. It is more than a movie hall. Okay? It will is playable only if your room is around 600 square foot. For less than 600 square foot, you will can't hear it. You see this? Okay. You see? This is a converter. You can put it here. And again I'll show you. For fit. This is. Like this also, you can fit your Fosi audio. Like this also, you can carry the sound from here to here to that. For house shaking music. This is normal HDMI. This is for TV. Now let's say, okay. Now you see, compare this. This is Fosi audio. Take.